A common question people have about getting a loan is, how strict is the process? It's a valid concern. You want to know what your chances are and what kind of hoops you'll have to jump through. When it comes to Younited Credit, the answer is a bit more nuanced than a simple yes or no. Younited Credit is a regulated credit institution. That means they have to follow a strict set of rules and regulations, just like traditional banks. Their loan granting process is designed to be as rigorous as what you'd find at any major financial institution. They're not a quick fix for everyone. Their focus is on providing responsible loans to credit-worthy borrowers. So, what does that actually look like for you? Well, it's a comprehensive process. The application form itself asks for a lot of information, often more than other lenders. They systematically check for fraudulent activity and money laundering, and they consult the negative files of the Banque de France, which means if you're registered in those, you won't be able to get a loan. Every single document you submit is verified by special software and a team of experts. The good news is that while the process is strict, it's also designed to be efficient. Younited has heavily invested in a 100% digital platform. They use advanced algorithms and open banking technology to get a holistic view of your financial situation in seconds. This allows them to give you an instant or near-instant response. So, you get the rigor of a traditional bank with the speed of a modern fintech. You'll know very quickly whether or not you're approved. The bottom line is that Younited Credit's granting process is strict, but that's a good thing. It ensures they're making responsible lending decisions, which protects both the borrower and the investors who fund the loans. If you're a responsible borrower with a solid financial profile, their fast, digital process can get you the funds you need quickly and transparently.